this is our WWE finishers and special moves, what we are going to do in WWE. Watch. This is my special move. It's called the Burning Fire. Here we go.
My minion. You broke my minion! It's my minion. I'll make a new minion.
I'll need an opponent for my other one.
Oh, yeah, I need an opponent.
This is my other special move. I choke them out. Okay. Now my finisher.
Right! I made a new minion.
So they're sewing right there, their face, and I go like that.
How dare you break my second minion!
With my signature, I need an opponent. Fine. I turn them back like this, and that. And then I throw them to the ground. Okay, now it's his turn. This is called the Head of Knowledge. This is my signature. So what he does, he's on the top ropes. When someone's laying down, he jumps and puts his head in their stomach, like that. And then I need an opponent for my finisher.
I need a new minion.
And this is my finisher.
Who dares to break my minion?
Okay, so wait, mess up. I'm supposed to pick him up and throw him against the ground. And then my signature. You mean special move? Oh yeah. The special move is where I kick him on both sides, and then I grab him, then I punch him in the head.
Another new minion!
Bryce! Another minion! Yeah, you did right. This is my signature.
No!
Your other special move. Fine. So, I give him this elbow, and I grab their hand, and I go, wait. No, well I, and that is the end.